So the remaining part of R2R DAC. Now we are giving input, digital input using the 16-bit counter, mod 16 counter. So we are using IC 74193 as a mod 16 counter. So here you can see the diagram. So only required connections we are going to mention here. So in the mod 16, so the clear and clear load up down pins are mentioned here. Clear
is here,
clear,
load is here, up is here, down is
here. Okay. So these are the pins. So first, starting to reset the output to 0 0,
okay,
we have to make clear high.
Clear high means this pin we should keep high for first time in the.
Then to start the counting, make it 0 and give the clock pulse using monopulse.
Okay, we will show that in the circuit.
Yeah. So using monopulse, we are giving the clock pulse. So according to the clock pulse, the output you can observe.
Okay.
So
now,
up count.
what about other pins? What is the value we should keep?
So load, no, any value you can keep. If you keep high, it starts counting.
Okay. When we make all output 0, we should keep clear as high. Rest all whatever you keep, no problem. But clear when you keep high, as soon as that output all becomes 0. But for the counting purpose, you should keep clear as L, load as high. And up means clock pulse. That you should keep giving the clock pulse.
Yeah.
Down clock we should connect it to the 0. Fourth pin of this IC should be connected to the high. And now
we can see the output here.
Sir, this is 12th pin which is not connected. 13th pin is not connected. Clear pin already told. Initially you should keep high. Then while counting happens, you should make it low. And this is here we have 9th, 10th, 1st and 15th pin. That is DCBA. All shorted and all should be kept as a 0. Initially. Don't forget ground and VCC pin. 4th pin to the VCC. That is we are doing up count. So we don't want down count. So we are making it as connected to the VCC. We want up count. So only up count, that is 5th pin, we should connect to the clock pulse. So
now this output,
okay,
we have to directly connect to the digital input
that
of the
time
DAC.
In the previous video, these pins were connected to the switch. In this particular video, what we are going to do is we do this circuit, and from that whatever count happens from 0000 to 1111, that everything
the output of the 16 counter
has to be connected to this one.
Input of the DAC. So this QA is connected as D0, Q is D1,
correct.
QC is connected to D2,
done.
And QD is connected to D3.
Super.
Now you can see here the output of first we'll see output of mod 16 counter.
This is only mod 16
counter of this part.
Okay.
So
IC is connected.
Everything is connected. So first I'll make the clear.
That is clear pin.
So I made
that time all will become 0. You can see QD, QC, QB, QA. All are 0. Now once all that becomes 0, you should keep it to the low. Because we have already told here we should keep it as low.
Now
what about load, sir?
Load kept high.
Load kept high. Okay.
Load kept high.
Okay.
Load kept high. So
and then down pin is a high, no sir. That we have connected to VCC.
No, here.
No, this one 4th pin.
Yeah, that
fourth pin in the circuit is connected to the
VCC high.
VCC, always high.
Yes, it is always high.
For and what about 5th pin, sir?
So 5th pin is monopulse.
Okay. High you are connected.
Monopulse.
Done.
Okay. Now we will see the output starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Done.
So now what we are doing, we are directly connecting this to the
that time all that D3, D2, D1, D0 was connected from here.
Yeah, toggle switch.
Now what you are doing?
So now we are connecting output of the counter to the input of DAC. This is the DAC side.
Okay.
So this is D0.
D0. That time it was connected over here. But now you are directly connecting over here.
Yeah.
So which is D3 has to be connected to which one, sir? In this one?
D3. This is D3. D0,
QD.
D1, D2. Sorry, D3 is this one, last one.
QD.
Yeah.
Okay. QD is D3 is connected to QD. D2 is connected to QC. D1 is connected to QB, and the last one is connected to
So
the
this is
QB.
D3. First I'll switch off. Then D2. D2 is connected. Then D1. Finally D0. Now we'll start. So make it high. Start
You made
counting.
0. Okay.
0.15 instead of 0.2. Output you can see here. This is 1.
Same as the previous
Previous.
experiment,
Yeah.
DAC only.
Yeah.
Only thing is whatever count which we are giving here, from here it is coming.
Yeah.
Accordingly, we should measure the
Output.
every time.
Next, 2.
Okay.
Decimal input
So
2.
for this, what values are here?
2.
2. Correct. For 2 value, yes.
Okay. So
Decimal 2 value. This is the. Keep on pressing means we will get the different voltage.
for 111 we'll see.
So okay, you are seeing for the last value 11111.
1111. The previous
2.5.
value was 3.12.
Okay.
Now we are getting 2.5.
2.5. Okay.
So this is the R2R DAC using op-amp. The input is given using mod 16 counter 74193.
Okay, sir. Done. Thank you.